Hey, so, you guys may have not seen me in a long time or anything, but I'm announcing my return. I am back. And yes, with the new form of content, 16 plus, 13 plus, anything. Oh, also, do you notice the difference in my voice? I sounded like a friggin' 7-year-old back then. So, yeah, I just wanted to come here, announce my annual return. And this time, I'm staying. And yes, we are continuing the Forgotten Pizzeria Gmod Chiz. Let's go! Anyways, see you guys. Say bye to pie.